buckle up because we are about to crack the code on next gen SEO. If you think you know SEO, think again. Google's AI is evolving and it's time to outsmart the algorithm. We are diving deep into something that's about to change the SEO game forever. RDF Triples and JSON-LD. These two are the secret sauce behind Google's hyper-intelligent search engine, and they are your golden ticket to getting those rich snippets, knowledge panels, and ACIP nomination. Let's go. What is the big deal with RDF Triples? Alright, let's break it down. RDF stands for Rescue Description Framework and is the backbone of how search engines understand data. Imagine Google is like a detective piecing together a story. RDF Triples are like clues, making that story make sense. They work in three parts. First one is subject. What are we talking about? Second one is predicate. What's the relationship? And the last but not the least is object. What's the extra info? Example, let's say we are talking about Elon Musk. Subject is Elon Musk, predicate is the CEO of, and the object is Tesla. Google reads that and goes, this makes sense. Now multiply this by millions of data points and boom, Google becomes a knowledge powerhouse. JSON-LD, your best friend for rich snippets. You see this? The fancy info box with ratings, FAQs, event dates and all that good stuff. That's powered by JSON-LD, aka JavaScript Object Notation for linked data. Google loves JSON-LD because it structures data in a way that's easy for machines to digest. Unlike old school microdata, JSON-LD doesn't mess with your HTML, it's clean, it's efficient, and it tells Google exactly what it needs. So how do you use it? Let's take a product page for example. Instead of hopping, Google picks up your details, you tell it directly using JSON-LD. Now Google knows exactly what this product is, what brand it's from, how much it costs, and if it's in stock. This is how you get rich snippets, knowledge panels, FAQ sections, event listings, and more. The SEO superpower of combining RDF and JSON-LD. Alright, now imagine the power when we combine RDF Triples and JSON-LD. Here's how it works. RDF helps structure relationship between things and JSON-LD makes it easy for Google to read and display. Basically, you are feeding Google a cheat sheet to boost your SEO. Let's say you are optimizing a page for a fitness trainer. Your RDF Triples might look like this. Subject, Alex Smith. Predicate, specializes in object strength training. Now we plug that into JSON-LD. Now Google not only knows who Alex Smith is, but also that they specialize in strength training. That means better rankings for fitness related searches, personal trainer queries, and expertise-based searches. SEO is no longer about just keywords and backlinks. Google's AI is evolving fast and it's prioritizing structured data and entity-based search. Think of it like this: if your site's data is clean and well structured and uses RDF plus JSON-LD, Google trusts it's more. That means higher rankings, richer search results, more traffic, better click-through rates. And the best part, most people still are not doing this. So if you jump in now, you are ahead of the game. Alright, time for some action. Here's how you can implement RDF Triples and JSON-LD on your site. Find the key data points. What's important about your page? Product, person, basic details. Use RDF to find relationships. Think subject, predicate, and object. Generate JSON-LD code. Use tools like Google Structured Data Markup Helper. Test with Google's Rich Result tool. Make sure everything is good. And last but not the least, deploy and track results. Watch your rankings climb. So there you have it. RDF Triples plus JSON-LD equals to hyper intelligent SEO. If you are serious about ranking higher, getting noticed by Google, and dominating rich snippets, you need to start using this. Drop a comment if you wanna see a deep dive tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss any game-changing SEO hacks. See you in the next one. Stay optimized.